Okay, I'm back. I cleaned it up, and then it's still sitting over here drying. Which it's actually drying pretty quick, which I'm really shocked. I thought it would take longer to dry, but I noticed right now it is bowing a little bit. But we'll fix that when we glue it. So I have the texture paste, and I have the Salty Ocean, the Seedless Preserves, which is like a purple, and then I have Peacock Feathers. I don't know if I'm going to use the purple because I don't want it to be very dark. I don't want it to go a black or like a mossy color on me. I want it to be that kind of mysterious feel, like if it was at night and the moonlight's glaring off, it's going to be like a little bit darker color. So we're just going to play around with it and see how it looks. So I'm ready when you are. I noticed the first video, because it didn't start back up where I left off. So I'm going to have to link them together. But I did notice that you were seeing a little bit of the laptop keyboard. So I will do my best to make sure you can see what I am doing, which it looks like this time might be a little bit better. Okay. I'm going to do the Salty Ocean first, since it is the lighter of the two. So there's 3, there's 4, 5, 6. I did a lot that time, 7. This time I think I pulled out a lot more than I did last time. I did notice that when I was rewatching it, you couldn't really see the stencil on the page until I started putting the paste on. So I am apologize for that. I don't know what the setup's going to be because I don't have a camera that can go over the top. And I don't have a desk. I just have the table, and then I use one of the boxes from my organizer to lift it up so you can look down. But it was pretty cool when you could actually see the pattern after I put it on. I was pretty happy with that. Okay, so it's like a light baby blue. So let's say if you wanted to do something for like a baby card, or you had like a baby stencil or something like that, that Salty Ocean would look really cool with this. And I have too much. I don't want to ruin my stamp, the ink pad, not the stamp. Baby wipes. What would we do without them? All I did is just grabbed a new baby package from the box, because that way I'm not grabbing for my sons all the time. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to do 4 because it is a darker, and we'll see how much that takes. I have a feeling this is going to be more of a teal, which is fine because one of my favorite colors. I might actually do more. Sounds like the husband's home, so if he starts talking, I told him, I said, I need you to go, because you make me nervous. You know when like you're trying to do something, your husband looks over at you, or your spouse, and you're just like, get out of the room so I can not be so nervous, because you know you're already nervous when you're taping, and then they're just there like staring at you. This one's going to take a little bit longer. I think I started off with too much paste. So I'm going to do the Seedless Preserves. it didn't restart where I left off. So we're going to have to figure out how to link these two back up. So I'm in between a purple and a blue, which I'm not going to mess with it anymore.
What did you say? Let me do that. What did you say?